What does this and this have to do with this? You'll have to wait and see. Is this really what we want in here? I don't know. It works, but I think we can do better. In fact, I know we can do better. I've shown you the air return, but today I'm here to let you know that they also do regular vent covers. So this one, or this one, looks about the same as a regular Aria Vent. This one requires no mudding. The light frame version, it slides in because of this flange here. There's no mudding. But when it's installed, you're gonna notice that it looks almost exactly the same as the typical Aria Vents do. This one has the added function of a removable cover so that you can get access to your ducts for things like cleaning. It also has the option of adding louvers. This is an additional product, but if you want to have more control over the airflow on your vent, you can add these louvers and allow as much or as little airflow as you'd like. In a typical model, you have the option to control airflow with these louvers. They've also given you that option with the Aria Vent model. This metal piece docks on like so, and now I have the ability to open or close the louvers to allow more airflow or less airflow. Pretty simple, but very effective. So the installation of these is really, really simple. Slide it into place and then tack it in with a few screws. So set it in place. So now that it's in place, all you're gonna do is throw a couple screws into the ducts up top. Put your screw in. The hell was that? Did you hear that? You heard that though.
Yeah, different size.
What is that? I see what's happening here. Screw it into the duct, not the duck. This happens all the time. Sorry, little dude. Into the duct work. Let's try that again. We're in. So now that it's fully fastened into the ductwork, I'm gonna open up the dampers so that we get maximum airflow. I'm gonna put the cover on, and then when we're painting the ceiling for its final coat, this gets painted, blends in, disappears. But if you do happen to notice it, you're thinking, wow, that's a nice vent, and not, how old is that vent? Aria Vent, and I'm gone.
Get in there.
And I'm back.
That's the glory shot.
Aria Vent, now I'm gone. Is that gonna read, you think? Sorry, little dude. This is your last swim. Let's see how that reads. Get your ducks in a row before you start.